Good afternoon. It is November the 1st, 2016. Time to recap our trading today. We came in this morning hoping to sell against 30. We had 25s, 27s. Was our backup sell zone. Mean green trade, several retest failure, 10-minute trades, all red on red trades, all worked out. And I mean, if you found a way to hang with the trade all day long, that was a huge trade. 21.25 was your entry. We have a 20.91 down here, so almost 35 points for the day. Anything would have worked on the E-mini to the short side today, and you can just see trade after trade after trade after trade. Used to be that you could count on this type of day of 20 to 30 points almost all the time in the E-mini. Right now, it's a pretty rare occurrence. Nancy's tweezers, and it looks like we're going to go out below 2100. The attractor, the draw down here with a close below 2105 is 2088. So it was a good day for us. We like the short side of the market coming in. We thought that we would test the 2115, 2120 area, and we got that more. And as all of our updates throughout the day were stay short, selling the strength. No signs of buying. So what are we going to see on F1? It's going to be a down day. Find a place to sell it. Big day. On F2, similar. We have some news tomorrow. We've got ADP employment at 170 and crude inventories and FOMC. FOMC tends to hold the market in a range. Crude inventories, don't have an estimate for that. ADP 170K. After a trend day, we tend to consolidate, so 2100, which is where we are right now, is an area. So first sell would be 4 to 6, assuming we're going to close at 2100, sell 1. Then 9 to 13 will be sell 2, give it a little bit of room to the upside. On the buy side, consolidation, 2095, 93. Pick up this area right down in here. Get in the tail, buy 1. Then 2085, 2087 for buy 2. Treasuries closed strong. No doubt the selling in the E-mini had a lot to do with that. For those of you that are visiting us and those of you that are new to it, the calls early in the morning are really, really hard to beat. We rarely miss on those. When we get hot, we're 4 out of 5. When we're not so hot, we're 3 out of 4. And that first trade of the day is to retest support or resistance. And if that comes out, then if it doesn't come out, then we've got to come back and reassess. Outside day, F1 trading range. A lot of it will have to do with what goes on with the E-mini if we get follow-through selling. Here's the breakout. That's when the E-mini started to get hit pretty hard. We had a P all day long. That was based on weakness in the E-mini. So first sell is 27 to 31. Then 3 to 7. On the buy side, breakout from the overnight session came at 23. So we'll make 17 to 21 buy 1. 9 to 13 buy 2. Looking at the 30-year. Okay, resistance is 4 to 8, number 1. So 11 to 15, sell 1. And 23.27, sell 2. We're retesting where the breakout was. So support right now is 24.28. So 17 to 21, buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. Gold had a strong day. 1305 structurally is the next stop. It's pointed higher. Higher low, higher high. If you move out of the middle right there. And this is the way, we look at the markets through the same frame every day. So I'm guessing we're going above 1300, but we got to get there first. So 94.96 in London, sell 1. 99 to 04, sell 2. We'll open it up. The low volume number is right against 05. We'd like to sell against 05. On the buy side, 85, 87 buy 1. Then 80 to 82 buy 2. And it might take 90s to get in. Depends on what goes on in London tonight if the selling goes around the world. Okay, we have the API report tonight. I haven't seen any guesstimates for that. And tomorrow we have the EIA inventory report for crude. Naturally, they'd like to see a draw. They don't want to see a build. Crude oil, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it on the F1 screen. And pretty square distribution, but so fold them all back in together. We're still looking at a B. 47 and a quarter, right where we were this morning. 47.50, 75, sell 2. On the buy side, we had 46 and a quarter. We'll just leave it. Worked out pretty well for us today. And 45.50, 45.75 buy 2. API news tonight, 4 Eastern, and then tomorrow the EIA at 11 Eastern will give us our market. And the euro was pretty strong. I think they're probably signaling a Trump win the election. It's hard to know what's with Obama singing the praise of Comey, and then the Department of Justice helping with the investigation and going through the emails. They probably 50-50 chance that we'll get an announcement at the end of the week that the FBI has found nothing new on Hillary Clinton. So that would certainly throw a monkey wrench in the Trump campaign. Or the other side of the bus is he could be throwing Hillary underneath the bus too, washing his hands of the affair. You don't know with these people. They play chess in 3 dimensions, and Republicans don't even play checkers anymore. The Republican Party is truly the stupid party. Higher low, higher high. And it's in a party, unfortunately, that I found myself having to vote for, the lesser of two evils over time. And I think a lot of people feel that way. Okay, 111 is within reach. So 1090, 111, sell 1. 1115, 1125, sell 2. On the buy side, we've got last rotate down stopped at 65. We're at 75, so 50 to 60 buy 1. And then 20 to 30 buy 2. And that'll do it for this November 1st, 2016. I will see you all bright and early in the morning. I wish you all a good evening. We're supposed to be in the 80s again today, and last time I looked it was 78, so we should make that. Y'all have a great evening. I'm out of here.